Alright, good morning everyone and welcome back to NeelyFX. My name is Michael Neely and this is the channel where I talk about foreign exchange trading, and the like. So we've got a lot of exciting things going on today. Let's see. Capital. Let's see if we can get logged into that too. See, first let's get into our fun and famous. What are we doing here? No. No. There we go. Do that one. There we go. Now it's playing along with me. No, it's not playing along with me. Alright, I'm having some issues with my password manager today that it's not automatically populating, which is making me a little bit on the angry side. That's okay, I'm going to get over it. So I'm going to take care of this real quick so I get logged in, and then we can go further as soon as I move the screen over, and there we go. Okay, let's see, that should be in. I'm in. Okay, there we go. So let's go into the risk disclaimer screen. The risk disclaimer screen looks like this. I'm in the United States. I've got to say this by law, I think. I'm pretty sure I do. I used to have to say this in every script, every phone call I made. This channel is for educational and entertainment purposes only and does not constitute trading or financial advice. I am a I'm a professional trader, not a broker, trading my own capital. I do not solicit funds, management client accounts, nor do I hold CFTC or NFA registration at this time. Forex trading is highly speculative with a high risk of losing some or all of your investment capital. Only trade the funds you can comfortably afford to lose. And I was wrong. This is the part I used to have to say on every phone call. The CFTC risk disclosure. Forex trading carries a high degree of risk and may not be suitable for all investors. The high degree of leverage can work against you as well as for you. Now, before trading Forex, consider your investment objectives, experience, and risk appetite. You could sustain a loss of some or all of your investment capital. So let's get into this. First, let's get into what we've got going on. Henry is not participating today. He's over there having lunch or breakfast. I'm not sure in his little world, but that's okay. So here's the trade we got into yesterday. I'll pull it up on this platform. This actually shows the trade. That's the password manager I'm having trouble with today. Let's see. We have maybe the browser that I'm using. I'm using Firefox. I should probably switch back to Chrome since that's the one that likes to shift information between browsers because that's works. So this is where we got in at 148.53 and we sold out way up here at 158. No, we didn't. We sold here at we stopped out at 150.75. Now it looked like it was going to go higher yesterday. I almost put in a trade for 151.15, and then I thought, well, it's Friday. I don't typically trade on Fridays, and this is why. That's called a doji candle right there. That green one, that indicates that there's going to be a change that bulls and bears are fighting over it, and they settle pretty much in the same spot. That means a lack of momentum. More than anything, it guarantees that it means a lack of momentum. It does also means that it could be a sign of a reversal. And in this case, it does look like a slight reversal. If you listen to Al Brooks, he says with every forward move, there's a 50% pullback on every forward move, and he's a very smart man. He wrote three books that I've got over there that I'll show you on a different video today. I don't have time. Guess I gotta go to work. I gotta go to my day job. So we're getting a little bit closer to our challenge. Top. I've got a long way to go though. I've got 12. I'm gonna make $1,200 more dollars to hit 10%, the 10% mark on that. That'll make $1,500 on 15,000. That's the 10% goal, and we will get to that shortly. It'll be show you what the trading dashboard looks like. So this is, I just found this last night. This is very interesting. This shows that I am profitable. However, it also shows that I'm not as near as profitable as I thought I was. So my total net P&L is made $65 on 15,000. That's not a very impressive. However, 90% of traders will fail this challenge. So that's what we will do with that. Let's take a quick look at everything going on. We should see reversals pretty much all the way around. And I'm talking really fast, and I probably shouldn't. So if you're not American and have fast ears, yeah, everything's kind of taking a little break today. So we've got the euro taking a break. It's kind of petered out too for its downward descent. XAU, USD. Now, I don't know what's going to happen today. We do have NFPs coming up, and I typically don't trade NFPs unless I'm in the office. I have to be in the office to trade NFPs. It's a very jumpy. It's very all over the place. So you don't want to trade NFPs if you don't have to. Let's see what the numbers are that we're up against. Oh, I'm going to be late to work again. Oh well. Let's see. So we are looking for a change of 106. That's the softball number. 106,000 jobs created is a softball number. According to the, remember the days of COVID, are there? Oh well. Let me see. The government's reaction to COVID is more like it. The what is interesting is that the ADP report beat right here. So I'm actually thinking that non-farms payroll will probably come out to about 155, 160, somewhere around there. So that's just a ballpark guess. Don't take that as anything, but that is, and inflation rate's probably not going to change. Might go down to, might probably stay the same, 4.1. But other than that, that's really all I've got today. I've got to run. You guys have a great one. Happy trading. If you do trade the NFPs today, good luck. And happy trading, and hope you do well with that. So have a great one. Talk to you later. Bye.